Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and taking 2 quick precautions. Update MIUI now so the system battery reports are current, and plug in an original charger and cable to avoid measurement errors. Once done, charge the device to between 20 and 80%. That range avoids calibration extremes and keeps stats reliable. If you plan to use ADB diagnostics, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. Then enable USB debugging. This lets you run system-level checks in the next step. You now run the actual diagnostics to quantify health. First, check settings right arrow battery and performance right arrow battery health. MIUI may show percentage and wear level. Next, connect via USB and run ADB. Use a DB Shell Dumpsy's battery for real-time state and a DB Shell Dumpsy's batterostats to get per-app drain and historical data. These explain why capacity is low. For a user-facing metric, install a Qu battery. Run a few full charge/discharge cycles and read the estimated mAh and percentage wear in the app. You finish by interpreting results and taking corrective steps. Calculate wear by dividing measured mAh by the original design capacity. Anything under about 80% indicates significant wear and may justify replacement. Once done, calibrate the reporting with one controlled full discharge to shut down and a full uninterrupted charge to 100%, then monitor readings again. If the phone shows no battery health info, make sure MIUI is updated. Clear system cache or rerun ADB commands. As a last resort backup data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.